Right, so this is going to be a little bit of a mystery color mix because I have a few paint leftovers here from my last color mixes and also a bit of white on my palette knife and a bit of brown on my brush. So we are going to use what's left here, and let's choose one additional color which adds a little bit of fun. And let's make that fluorescent orange. I'm looking forward to seeing what color we will get from all this. So here we have some white and some yellow and a little bit of blue and some more white and some mixed beige color and some more beige on my brush. So let's just start with this and mix in some yellow and some of our fluorescent orange. Oh my god, that's a powerful color here. Look at that. And now mix in the white. Now it's getting beautiful. Look at that. I love that color. Let's make a paint swatch from that. And let's just call it Mystery Mix. Mystery Mix. So nobody will know what's in there anymore. But yeah. Beautiful. Look how powerful this color is. Amazing. And now let's mix in a bit of this blue and brown to mute it down a bit. Yes. Look, now it's going to be a rich, slightly grayish beige. Let's make a paint swatch with that as well. Now let's make a lighter version here with all the white. Ooh, I love that. Look at this apricot off-white color we're getting here. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely adore this color. All three of them, actually. Might be our new color palette, who knows? And yeah, just check out the next videos if you are up for more. Have a lovely day, bye bye!